your girl Marcita B's back with her third and final video featuring Shake and Go's nude crochet 100% human hair. So I have had the hair in for a week now. I have definitely exercised and sweated in this hair. So I have shampooed it. The stock card does recommend that you use a sulfate-free shampoo, which I always use on my own natural hair. I then added conditioner, left the conditioner on for about 20 minutes and rinsed that out, and then also applied a leave-in conditioner. Since this is 100% human hair, unlike synthetic hair, it does benefit from using those type of products. And then after all that, I just gave it a little light blow dry. Now, I did not try the Saga human hair crochet when that came out, so I really can't compare those two. But I would imagine, since they're both Shake and Go products, that it would be comparable. And if you like crochet and human hair, then this would be a good investment for you. I'm saying investment because it is definitely not cheap compared to synthetic hair. Although this hair is human hair, it's much more expensive than synthetic. It is reusable, so you can install it, leave it in for your crochet style. It's easy to install and easy to uninstall. Just open the loop and pull the hair back through. Take it out. Pretty easy. So if you're trying to weigh synthetic crochet hair versus human hair crochet, even though the human hair crochet is a lot more expensive, it is an investment because it's reusable. As long as you take care of the hair, you should get multiple uses with it. And then the other thing to think about would be the elastic band. As long as that elastic band doesn't wear out, you're in good shape. My personal preference is still going to be synthetic crochet hair, for the simple fact that once you put that style in, you are done. You don't have to worry about restyling, curling it, flat iron, or anything. I don't like to spend a lot of time with my hair, so synthetic hair works for me. The only drawback sometimes with synthetic is that it can be frizzy. If you don't mind a little frizz, you're good to go. And it's so inexpensive, you can change your style as often as you like. Now, those that do prefer human hair, at least now, we do have some more options with human hair crochet, and hopefully they will introduce even more 100% human hair crochet options on the market. And as they do, maybe they'll lower the price a little bit too. That will do it for Marcita B's look at the new Naked brand 100% human hair crochet braid. Now, be sure to check out my other 2 videos on this hair if you haven't already. I'll post links down in the description box. I am out for now. I will probably leave this hair in for at least another week, but next weekend I'll be back with a brand new video, some brand new hair. Check back for that. In the meantime, I am out for now, but you know what I always say before I go? Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.